Well, if you're anything like me, you've probably screwed up your radio. You put in a bunch of settings, you don't really know what you did. Something went wrong because the stupid thing isn't working right. I do it all the time, y'all. I know y'all do it sometimes too. And what I'm gonna show you in this video is how to factory reset your Baofeng radio, working specifically with the GMRS series radio. Got the Baofeng UV5G Plus over here, and I got the UV5G Mini here. They each have a slightly different menu system. We got the old school menu here on the Plus, and we got the newer menu system on the Mini, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this thing so we can start over again. All right, we're gonna start off with the UV5G Plus. This has the menu system that's a little bit older. So what we're gonna do is press the menu button once. You're gonna go ahead and scroll down with the down arrow to option number 42. It's gonna say reset. You're gonna hit the menu button again, and then you're gonna hit the down arrow so that all is flashing. You're gonna hit menu again, and here you're gonna confirm by hitting menu again. And now your UV5G Plus is factory reset. It's gonna power back on, and you are good to go. And now we're gonna do the UV5G Mini, which has the new menu system. We're gonna hit menu. We're gonna go down to radio set, hit menu again. We're gonna go up to option 26, which says reset, hit menu again. Go down to submenu option number 2, which is reset all with the down arrow, hit menu again. And then it's gonna say sure to reset, confirm by hitting menu again. And now your UV5G Mini is factory reset and you're good to go. So there you have it. We got the radios factory reset, which means we can go screw them up again. I do this all the time. I use this feature all the time. Trust me, you're not the only one if you're messing up your radios. But with that said, that's a wrap. Prepare, defend, survive. I'll see you in the next one.